Hi, this is Dan McCain, and today we'll see how good movement preparation can help anyone have a quick first step.
Preparing well for ground strokes is a major part of how the pros make everything seem so easy. A sequence of making two simple moves, a split step and a shoulder turn, gives the pros just that. The split step is a small hop, where both feet leave the ground and then land approximately in sync with the timing of your opponent striking the ball. It dislodges the body weight from the ground and counteracts gravity, making players lighter, quicker, and more efficient. Often pros will land with a relatively wide base and a specific foot sequence that enables an immediate shoulder turn thereafter. With this timed jump and immediate rotation of the shoulders, players can instantly move fluidly to the shot. This makes for a quick and explosive first step, in a similar way that track sprinters push off and accelerate off the blocks.